to you at that time. And here we have iPod. So just a touch, and it's up and running. With a swipe, here we go. Let's go back to the live video. I can swipe, and it brings up a whole nother menu of information just in one touch. Back home, swipe. As simple as that. And back home. You can also pinch to zoom out, rotate, expand to zoom in. So in a little bit greater detail, we have the status bar located up at the top. On the left-hand side, it says 3G and gives us our signal strength. Up at the top center, if we had any media streaming, it would show us the title, the artist, etc. On the upper right, it would give us the time. And again, this is a beta iPad app. So it's truncated the time. Here's our top menu. I give it a touch. Or we can just drag it. So drag it down or touch. So that brings us to driver's manual, settings. We can customize the display or change a feature. Swipe left, car functions. This is an area that you're all very familiar with. Bliss, distance alert, toggle it on, toggle it off. And again, personalization and customization were some of the driving factors. So I want to change the way that this layout looks. I can do that. Here we have our apps. So again, folks, this is a beta prototype. So you're going to get the chance to interact with this. As you discover certain features or apps, don't get married to that specific feature and think, oh yeah, that's definitely in the car. I'm going to send an email to my best customer. This is a prototype that we developed to see how our consumers, our customers, interact best with this information. So let's go into navigation here. Touch, the screen pops up, maximize, set destination. You can type in a search, go to recent destinations, favorites, POI, touch, and set as a destination. What's that?
That's a long line. That's going
You can tell where the software was written, right? So we'll close this. Here's media. Go into our library, artists, playlists, albums. How about FM radio? Preset stations. Manual tuning. Simple. Down along the bottom, we have climate. So that is very simple to adjust. Heated steering wheel, heated and cooled seats, change the temperature. You can either touch or you can drag. Question? Yes, sir.
Is there going to be a hard drive?
That's a great question. I don't believe it's a hard drive. I believe all the memory is solid state, and I don't believe you're physically loading it into the car, but that's my speculation. That's not final design. Yeah. What's interesting about today's event is you're getting such an early lead time into this vehicle. I don't have all the answers. Oftentimes when I do training like this, I've got about 98% of the answers, and the other 2% are readily at hand. So I'm saying I'm not quite sure a lot. So, great question. Yes, yeah, that's why you're here. So we're in climate, and again, very easy to adjust. You don't have to go into sub menu. Now, if you want to be a super user, you can touch our mannequin here, and we can engage auto climate, or we can change the direction of the air. We have some redundancy here with the defrosters because we have hard buttons as well. You can change the rear climate, fan speed, turn the system off. Very easy to do. We'll go back over to apps. We did iPod, messaging. TMI. Sorry about that. It's built into the app. And potentially additional audio sources, media streaming, etc. So as you can see, this is an exceptionally easy to navigate system. It is not overly complex, but you be the judge. So what we're going to do now is you get to do a test drive of our beta prototype Apple iPod app. So what we're going to do, folks, is hand out